Hello everyone, I'm Frank and welcome to Frank Puzzles, and this is today's easy level puzzle. And take that easiness with a grain of salt because it's considered easy by the people on the Logic Masters Germany forum. It's a lot of really smart people there. Today's puzzle is called Swirling Entropy by Signe. And it does look like there's some swirling entropy going along here. Let's get to the rules. We have normal Sudoku rules apply, which means in every cell in the grid, place a single digit such that every row, column, and designated 9-cell region contains the digits 1 through 9 exactly once each. And any set of 3 adjacent digits along a peach entropy line must contain exactly 1 small digit, which is 1, 2, or 3, 1 medium digit, which is 4, 5, and 6, and 1 large digit, which is 7, 8, and 9. So, for example, along this set here, you could have something like 5, 9, and 2. And this would be valid because along this entropic set, of 3 adjacent digits along this entropic line, shall we say, we have 1 small digit, which is a 2. We have 1 middle digit, which is a 5. And we have 1 large digit, which is a 9. We also have adjacent digits along a green German whisper line must differ by at least 5. So, for example, if this were, say, a 3, this would have to be an 8 or a 9, because those are the only digits which are 5 or more away from 3. And I like to call them Whisper 5 lines instead of German Whisper lines because a setter basically named them as such. And I think it made a lot of sense because it's very extensible that way. But German Whisper lines is perfectly fine to be calling them. In fact, that was the original name, I guess. But, I call them Whisper 5 because it's easily extendable to other types of lines. You could have Whisper 6 lines, Whisper 3 lines, Whisper 1 lines. Those all work. But no, when I'm saying Whisper 5, I mean German Whisper. And finally, we have digits separated by a black Kropke dot are in a 2-to-1 ratio. So, for example, if this were, say, a 4, this would have to be 2 or 8 to maintain the 1-to-2 ratio between them. And those are all the rules. If you'd like to play along, there's going to be a link in the description. And now, I'm going to get started. Let's go. Okay, so for anything that has entropic lines, or it's basically, especially if they're long, anything that basically has 3 consecutive digits must be in the same set, or must have one of each of separate sets. That didn't come out right. Anytime you have 3 adjacent digits, must have one out of 3 separate sets. What I like doing is coloring the line and basically trying to figure out how many of each set is in certain boxes or rows or columns, right? And I just basically color them any 3 sets, any 3 colors. So here we'll use pink, orange, and yellow. And we can start with saying pink. This must be a different set because it's this along the set of 3, you have to have different sets, and this must be different. And along that set of 3, then for the next set of 3, we're losing the pink, so therefore this must be pink. This must be orange. This must be yellow. And we keep going along that path. So this is, and every third is the same set. So we have, this is pink, pink, pink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and that's it. So these are all the pink cells. And the next one's orange. So these are orange, and then we have yellow remaining. 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, and 3. So these are yellow. Now, what are some of the interesting things we have? In box 7, we have 3 yellows and 3 pinks, so this must be orange. In row 3, we already have all 3 yellows. Also, we have pink and orange, which have a difference of 5 between them. And this pink and orange have a difference of 5 between them. We do not... Oh, this is... I missed a yellow here, so this is yellow. We have 3 pinks already in row 4, so the rest of row 4 cannot be pink. Well, we need 1 more pink in box 4, and these can't be pink, so this must be pink here. We now have 3 pinks in column 2. So this must be an orange-yellow pair. We're not sure which is which. This is orange or yellow. This is orange or yellow. It cannot be orange. Orange can never be in a... Orange can never be 2... Cannot be 5 away from another orange, right? 1, 2, and 3 has a difference of at most 2. 4, 5, and 6 has a difference of at most 2. And 7, 8, and 9 has a difference of at most 2. So since this is orange, it cannot be with pink. Can't be with orange. It has to be yellow. Interesting. Okay. This digit cannot be pink because of 3 pinks in the column. Can't be yellow because of 3 yellows in the column. So this must be orange. And since this is orange, we have 3 oranges in column 2, so this can't be orange. This is yellow, which means this can't be yellow because we have 3 yellows in the box now. So this is orange. This cannot be yellow, and it can't be orange because of 3 oranges in the column and 3 yellows in the row. So this must be pink, which makes this yellow because we don't have another place for yellow in column 1. We have 3 pinks now. We cannot have yellow in any of the remaining cells in row 1. So this has to be orange to be 5 or more away from pink, and therefore this must be pink because it can't be orange. This can't be pink and pink, so this must be pink here for 3 in box 3, and this must then be yellow. So orange okay, we have this has to be orange remaining in row 1 because we have 3 of the other colors. In box 2, we need another pink, so this is pink, not orange, pink. This can't be pink or yellow, so this must be orange. This can't be yellow or orange, this must be pink. We have... Okay. Pink cannot obviously be there. So this orange has a difference of 5 with 2 unique digits of pink. Well, that means pink can never be a middle digit because there's 2 digits which are 5 away from 1 digit of another set. And that also means orange can't be 4 or 6. So therefore, the middle set must be yellow. So the middle set must be yellow. So that means yellow is green, the 4, 5, and 6. So this is 4 or 6, which means this is the pink 1 or 9. This is 4 or 6, which means this is the orange 1 or 9 here. So anytime green is on a Whisper 5 line, it has to be 4 or 6. We don't have any greens in column Um, column 6. Okay. We have 3 oranges in box 5. And these will have to be some sort of low and high combination. So this must be green and this must be pink because we don't have any orange allowed. And this digit cannot be pink green because of the 3 greens in the column. So this must be pink, not green. This is pink, which makes this green, and it makes that green because we need 3 greens in the middle box. We have 3 greens and 3 pinks in row 4, so this must be orange. So pink can be next to, it has to be next to orange. It cannot be next to another pink, which makes this pink, which makes this orange. That means that this can't be orange or pink because we have 3 oranges and 3 pinks. Therefore, this must be 3 greens. Since this is green, every third one is the green. So this is green. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So that's green. And these cannot be green. They have to be a pink-orange pair, which means we have 3 oranges and 3 pinks in row 8. So this must be green here. We have 3 oranges, 3 greens in column 5, so this must be pink here. We have 3 oranges and in row 9, so this can't be orange, but this can't be green because of every third cell has to be green, and this can't be the third cell, so this must be pink. So it's pink, green, orange. That's pink, green, orange, and pink, green, orange here. We have 3 oranges in box 6, so this can't be orange. This is pink. We have 3 pinks now in column 8. We also have 3 greens and 3 pinks in row 7, so this is orange. We have 3 pinks and 3 oranges in row 9, so this must be green. Okay, so this is 4 and 6 next to a pink 1, 9 here on the Whisper 5 line. This is in a 1 to 2 ratio. So for this to be middle, it's 4 or 6. 6 is in a 1 to 2 ratio with 3. 4 is in a 1 to 2 ratio with 2 or 8. Okay. Okay. So these digits that are next to the pink 1, 9s are the same. So we'll label that A, I guess. Maybe we could color it. We'll make it yellow. So these are the yellow 4, 6s next to the pink 1, 9s. And then the okay, so this can't be the yellow one because it's next to the orange 1, 9 here. So this must be the yellow 4, 6 here. That means where's the yellow 4, 6 in box 2? Can't be here or here. So this is yellow 4, 6 here. Which means one of these two is yellow 4, 6. This can't be yellow 4, 6. This can't be yellow 4, 6. So this is yellow 4, 6 here. Yeah, this yellow 4, 6 eliminates there. So this is, I don't know, we'll make that medium gray 4, 6. Medium gray 4, 6 can't be here. It has to be here. In box 2, it could be either of these. So this is the 5 here. which means this is 4, 6, and 4, 6. In box 8, this can't be 4, 6, it must be 5, which makes this the medium 4, 6 here, which makes this a 5. So this can't be medium 4, 6 or 5, it's the yellow 4, 6 here. So this is yellow 4, 6, which makes this yellow 4, 6. And this is medium, so this is medium yellow, and this is 5. This must be medium. We have medium in yellow here, so this must be 5 here, which makes this medium 4, 6 here. That makes this 5, which makes this medium 4, 6 here, because it's next to yellow, which makes this yellow, and therefore this is medium 4, 6. This can't be medium or yellow, it's 5, which makes this yellow, makes that not yellow, so this is medium, and it can't be 5, so this is 5 here. That means 5 is here. This is medium 4, 6. So these yellow and pink are opposites. Actually, I guess we could have labeled it orange, right? Yeah, yellow can be orange, essentially. So the yellows are essentially the orange 4, 6s here. And the grays are the pink ones. Instead of gray, we're making them pink. So these are 4, 6. That means these have to be different sets. So if this is 6, this would be 3. That works. If this is 4, this would have to be 8. So it could not be 2. What else do we have? This could be 2, 3, 7, 8. This could be 2, 3, 7, 8, unfortunately. Pink 1, 9s. Do we have any information there? Not particularly. This is pink 2, 3, 7, 8. Okay. This has to be orange 2, 3, 7, 8. Hmm. Hmm. This must be pink 1, 9 here. Huh. Okay. That means we have to use basically all the... Right. So... This cannot be pink 3 or 8, so it'd have to be 1, 2, 7, 9. There's pink. This could be any of them. This can't be 1 or 9, so it's 2, 3, 7, 8, because it's in between 2 unique digits. On a Whisper 5 line. Okay. Okay. No pink 1, 9. It's 2, 3, 7, 8. This could be 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. Same with all of these. This is pink 2378. This is pink 2378. Okay, so one of these is guaranteed to be the pink 19 here. So pink 19 cannot be here or here. This is pink 19. One of these must be orange 19 because we have no other place for orange 19 in row 6. So this has to be 2, 3, 7, or 8. This could be orange 19 there, though. We don't have much information here. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. This is 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. This is 2, 3, 7, 8. So 19 is one of these two as pink. 19 is one of these two as pink. This can't be 19, so this is 2, 3, 7, 8. Oh. This can't be pink 19, and this can't be pink 19 because of the pink 19 in the column. So this is 2, 3, 7, 8, but it cannot be 3 or 8. It has to be 2 or 7 to correspond. So this can't be 2 or 7. It's the pink 19, which means this can't be pink 19. So this is the corresponding 2 or 7. This 2 or 7 eliminates 2 or 7 here, so that's 3 or 8. Therefore, the pink 19 in box 9 must be there, which means this can't be pink 19. This is a 2, 3, 7, 8. And they're both pink, so this can't be 2, 3, 7, 8. It's pink 19 there. Pink's a 2, 7 here, so this can't be 2 or 7. It's 3 or 8 there. Therefore, this is pink 2, 7 there. If this is 8, sorry, if this is 3, this cannot be 7 here. That's all we know. Huh. Okay. This has to be pink 19. So this is 2, 3, 7, or 8. This is 2, 3, 7, or 8. Huh. Interesting. This cannot be 2, 4, 6, or 7. So it's 1, 3, 8, or 9. 1, 3, 8, or 9. What else do we have? Not much, really. We don't have very many of the oranges, though. That's kind of the problem. This is a 2, 3, 7, 8 orange pair, which means this is orange 19 here. Which means this cannot be orange 19. It's orange 2, 3, 7, 8. Orange 2, 3, 7, 8. Orange 2, 3, 7, 8. Which means this must be orange 19 there. Okay. So that means we have orange 19 here, orange 19 here. This can't be orange 19, but so this is orange 2, 3, 7, 8. This could be 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. And this cannot be 1, 9. So now we know where the 1, 9 is in row 2. It has to be here. So this cannot be 1 or 9. This is 3 or 8, which means this can't be 3 or 8. That's 2 or 7, which means this can't be 2 or 7. It's 3 or 8. Interesting, which means this cannot be 7 if those are high, because this would be 3. This can't be 3 or 8. It's the pink 1, 9. 2, 3, 7, 8 there. 2, 7 eliminates 2, 7 here, so it's 3 and 8, which eliminates 3 and 8 here, which eliminates 3 and 8 here. So that's 2 and 7, which means this can't be 2 or 7. This is 3 or 8. If this were 3, that would have to be 8. So this cannot be 7. So one of these is going to be 8, so this cannot be 8. This is 3 or 8, so this can't be 3 or 8. It's 2 or 7. Interesting. Okay, so we have... we don't know about these. Okay, so this is 3 or 8, which means this can't be 3 or 8. It's 2 or 7, which means this can't be 2 or 7. It's 3 or 8, which means this can't be 3 or 8. It's 2 or 7, which means this can't be 2 or 7. It's 3 or 8. Interesting. So if this is 7, this could not be 3. Okay. So we're guaranteed an 8 here. 1 or 9 here, so this is 2, 3, 7, 8 here. Same here. This is, we don't know. This cannot be 8 here, so we have 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, but no 8. 1, 2, 3, 7, 9. So this is 7. This would not be 7 here, so that would be 8. If that is 8. So we have 3 distinctly different ones, and they cannot be... This would have to be 8 if it were high. And this would be 8 and 9 as a pair, because they would have to be high. This is very interesting. So, therefore, oranges cannot be high. Oranges have to be low. And then pinks have to be high. So this has to be 8 here. This is 8. This is 4 and 8 here. This is 2 or 3. We're not sure. This must be all the 2 7s. They have to be 7. Ugh, that's a lot. But those are easy to spot. Okay, so those are all 7s. For 3 and 8, they have to be all 8s. Okay, remove the blues. So those are all 8s. 1 9s. Let's do blues. Blues. Wait, did I maybe let's do all reds. Let's do reds. Yeah, let's do reds. So those are all 9. And 4 and 6s. Let's do all the reds. As 6s. And for the 4, 6 pairs now left, those are all 4s. Okay. So now we can clear these. No 789, no 78, no 789, no 78, no 78. 78, no 78, no 78, no 78, no 79, no 79, no 8, no 89, no 7, no 7 or 8. So, remaining digits. This is 1. We have 1, 1, 1. This is 1. 2 or 3. 1, 2 or 3. 1 or 2. 2 or 3. 1, 2 or 3 works. This is 1, 2 or 3. But one of these, this is 1 or 2. This could be 1, 2, 3. This is a 3 guaranteed in one of these two cells in box 6, so this can't be 3 here. So we're guaranteed a 1, 2, or 3. 3 has to be one of these two cells here, which means this can't be 1, 3. So this is 1 or 2. Hmm. This is guaranteed 1 here. Okay. I guess we can remove the coloring. And then just color the 2s and 3s. Let's make this yellow and this pink. So this must be yellow here. This is yellow also, so this is pink. Yellow and pink here, which makes this yellow. This has to be yellow here. So yellow is one of these 3. Yellow cannot be here, here, or here, so yellow has to be here. So this cannot be 1, it's 2 or 3 as yellow. What about pinks? One of these is yellow here. One of these is pink, the other one is 1. Okay. Ugh. This will label... Maybe we should not make these pink. Let's make these green. Actually, let's make it orange. We'll make this pink and green here. So they correspond to the yellow and orange, but we don't know which one's which. This pink means this can't be pink, it's green. Which means green is one of these two. That's not helpful. Do we have any other differentiators? Not particularly. Orange is one of these two. Yellow has to be one of these two. We don't know which. So then yellow has to be one of those two, which isn't helpful. Hmm. I mean, we could just try one, right? That's just kind of oddly unsatisfying. Um, hmm. 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 Um, okay. I guess we can try different digits. This is the same as that. Um, which must be the same as one of those two. That's not helpful. This blue. Oh, this blue is not the same as yellow. So it can't be here. It has to be one of these two. So this is a blue-yellow pair, which means this can't be blue or yellow. Therefore, this is blue guaranteed to be here. So blue cannot be either of these. So it must be one of these two, which means where's blue in row 4? It has to be here. So that's blue, which means this cannot be blue. Okay, there we go. And therefore, this is blue, which makes this yellow. So no yellow here. This is green. So blue matches with the greens. So this is not green, but blue. That means pink must be yellow. And blue has to be a 2. So blue cannot be here. So blue is the same as orange. So this is not orange anymore, not orange. So all the blues are 2. All the yellows are 3. And all the rest are 1. This can't be 3, this is 1, which makes this 3. And all the remaining digits are 1. Yeah, I don't know if I would call this easy. The logic behind it makes sense, but the execution is actually quite difficult. Probably even a little harder than challenging execution. So while the logic might be easy, or slightly harder than easy, I would say that the execution is at least challenging level and maybe harder. So I would classify this as challenging difficulty, but that's just me. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this solve, and I'll see you next time on Frank Puzzles. Take care.